Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable always on display in Redmi Note 13. Before we start the video, make sure to like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. So first of all, just go to settings and then scroll it down to lock screen. After selecting lock screen, scroll down. As you see, we have option of always on display here. Just click on it and then click on always on display. After that, just enable always on display, and as you see, we have a lot of option here. Just select any one of them which you like. I am selecting this one. It will be seems like this. So after selecting, just click on apply, and as you see, it is applied successfully. Now let's see how easily we can enable an always on display in Redmi Note 13. We can also change it through this method. Just click on apply and it is applied successfully. After that, as you see, it is changed now. So this is the method through which we can enable always on display in Redmi Note 13. So if this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.